Guys, before we start, please make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make when checking fuses, relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find out fuses relays for the Purge Control Valve, also known as just a Purge Valve on Volkswagen Tiguan first generation. Guys, please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. We'll talk about that, how to test that sensor as well. That way you do not waste your money on a new one unless you have to buy one. And after that, if you need to buy replacement parts and tools, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can guys see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Now, guys, that generation Volkswagen Tiguan will have many hidden fuses. Fuse boxes, different fuses, mega fuses, relays that are not accessible. That's why, guys, we made one special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check it out, it will be on our website. Now, guys, we will be making video about every single fuse, every single relay in that car. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch for a minute or two, replace the fuse, you're back on the road. Our mission is to save you money, guys. That's why we made more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, and by the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, check out, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. So for the Purge Valve, also known as Purge Control Valve, we'll be working in multiple fuse boxes, guys. Let's go ahead, open the hood facing the engine here. Okay, I want to show you now the main fuse box is on the right side. We're working that one, but first we want to start inside the vehicle, guys, okay, because there is a hidden fuse box where on the left side under the steering wheel you're going to find out you have a fuse box with a layout like this one, some hidden relays here, even more hidden relays behind the dash and other places. That's why we made a special video on our channel that's called VW Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram, video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. We'll teach you about all your hidden fuses, relays. Check it out, very important video, guys. Now, guys, let's explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, now let's talk about common mistakes people make. When people see a fuse, okay, let's say they pull a fuse and they try to check it out, okay, they look at that fuse, okay, and they assume, okay, it's good, it's bad, but sometimes you cannot clearly tell if a fuse is good or bad. And you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, you start wasting money on parts, tools, diagnostics, module, and you go to repair shops for something that could have been quite easy fixed, such as a bad fuse. So always test your fuses, quite easy, guys. By the way, if you want to see, we have a special video on the channel how to test a fuse, but it's quite simple and often, okay, you can actually even test fuses without removing them to figure out, guys, okay, if these fuses are good or bad. For instance, mega fuses, there is no way that you can check if the fuse is good or bad. The only way is to test them, guys, to find out, okay, if these fuses are good or bad as well. Very important. Now, if you want to see how to test a fuse, detailed video how to test a relay, we have special videos about that and we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Here, guys, we need to check 3 fuses, then we need to go to a different fuse box. You see that layout right here, okay, of mini fuses. In the middle row, that's fuse number 9 through 16. The fuse number will be listed under the fuse itself, but okay, that's 9, 10, 11, 12, so 13, 14 and 15. You see 13, 14, 15, these 3 fuses, 13, 14, 15 right here, 13, 14, 15, these fuses will need to be checked right here, guys. Now, we're going to go outside, except these 3 fuses, we need to check more things. That's when things will differ a little bit. Let's talk about that now. Guys, okay, here we need to open the hood facing the engine on the right side. On the driver's side is the main engine fuse box that has that layout. Here we need to check multiple fuses for engine management that will control this system as well. We're talking, that's the fuse box layout for 2012 to 2017 year model Volkswagen Tiguan, which is the facelifted Volkswagen Tiguan. We'll explain about that one first, and then we'll explain about 2008 to 2011 year model Volkswagen Tiguan. The fuse numbers will be next to the fuses. First we need to check fuse number 10, right here. Then you need to locate fuse number 13, 14, 15. Very important fuses. After that, you need to locate fuse number 20, Some of you may have 21. Check fuse number 23 and 24. And these two relays right here. Now, if you have 2008 to 2011 year model Volkswagen Tiguan, the fuse box under the hood will differ and it will look like this one here. We need to check fuse number 10 right here, 13, 14, 15. Then you need to check, guys, okay, fuse number, okay, 20. Okay, let me show you now 20, 21, 23, 24, and the two relays right here. Practically, this will be the main fuses relays that you will guys need to check. As you saw, guys, okay, this Volkswagen Tiguan has all kind of different fuses, mega fuses, standard fuses, mini fuses inside the car. You have different relays, mega fuse packs, all that stuff. If you want to see where you can buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. Our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. We'll have video about every single fuse relay in that car. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.